Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today's video is going to be all about the do's and don'ts of eyebrows. So the first thing I want to put out here is make sure that you have a good skincare regimen. Your makeup is never going to look flawless or you're never going to look beat if you're not taking good care of your skin, okay? First don't is never ever use a dull pencil and never use black, okay? Now, what you do want to do is use a very thin pencil. Use a pencil made for brows, okay? So never draw on an eyebrow shape you do not have, okay? And again, never, ever, ever use black. That is a no-no. Alright guys, so again, what you do want to use a pencil made for brows. Use a pencil with a very sharp end on it. That way, it's easier to draw a straighter line. It's easier to make sure that your brows are nice and precise. And you can draw in those little fake hairs at the front of your brows like I like to do. But you need a sharpened pencil to do that. Boom! Look at that brow. Look at that brow. Alright, here's another don't. You never ever want to use a concealer that is too light for your skin tone, okay? Never do this. Never do this. You do not want ghost brows. You do not want ghost brows. What you do want to do, guys, is use a concealer that's a shade or two lighter than your skin tone. Brows have a little bit more detail. They look nice and neat without looking Casper the Ghost-ish. And I have a brow routine video. I'm going to link that above here. Boom. Look at that. Alrighty guys, that about wraps up this video. I just got a quick before and after here, or do and don't side. Thank you so very much for watching. And make sure that you click that subscribe button so you don't ever miss an upload from me. Bye!